Okay, here we are just outside Road. Yeah, so now we're going to go this way to Brisworth and hopefully have a little bit of lunch. Okay, here we are, lunchtime on our Brisworth adventure. Just going to have cheese sandwiches now. Lee's over there getting ready for it.
Cheers.
We might be having ham sandwiches, I'm not quite sure. But not bad. Cold start, but we're starting to warm up now a little bit. And we're going on to Tiffield via Gayton. Okay, over for now.